Hey planner people. So I got my box from Vanderspec today and I'm pretty excited to open this. I promise this will not be a 1-hour video like my last one was. So let's go over, before I open it, how long it took me to get it. I ordered this January 11th and I paid for my customizations February 22nd. I got my shipping notice on March 12th, and today is March 14th, and it arrived. I can't believe how fast FedEx is. I mean, I seriously, from the Postal Service, would not be able to get a package from California to Minnesota, but FedEx can get a package from the Netherlands to Minnesota in like 2 days, 3 days. It's crazy. So let's open it up and then I'll talk about my customizations. Well, it's a skinny little box for how much it cost me. So I'm a little nervous about this because, you know, when you buy something and you get a custom, you pay the base price and then you pay for the extras. So it really ends up being pretty expensive to get it exactly the way you want it. But let's hope for the best. Are you ready? I'm nervous. Woo! Look at that baby. Woo! That is a beauty. Okay, let's get the plastic off of it. Boy, you don't say what you will about Vanderspec, they know how to securely package your item. Ta-da! So this is the Melanzana, I think that's how you pronounce it, Melanzana Krakow. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm just looking at it. One thing right off the bat that I'm going to tell you I don't like is I can see, because I ordered the double snap, I can see when I have it on the fattest one, I can see that little snap peeking out there. And I don't think that should be visible. But the chances of me using that one are, I mean, your weeks would have to get pretty fat in order to use that one. So I'm not going to stress about it. It's still beautiful. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is a Codex, a custom Codex for a Hobonichi Weeks Mega. I had this lengthened and I think I had it made 205 millimeters from the seam to the seam. And then I had this back pocket, which is usually a slip pocket. And I had it made into a tiny secretarial because when I'm in a hurry, I will often slip the back cover of my Weeks in this pocket on my Giglio Slim Punto. So I left everything the same. So I have, it's hard to see the pockets, I know, because of the pattern, but there's a little pocket here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card pockets there. We have a pocket here, which, you know, if you like to have both sides of your cover inside, that's where you'd put it. And then this one is where you would put the back cover. So yeah, it's really beautiful. Let's look at the back. It's lovely. Just lovely. So let me get my Weeks. And so what I'm using now is this Slim Punto. And I am able to use the cover on cover with it. And also, even though it does fit, you know, it takes a little wiggling and whatnot to get it in there. So when I'm in a hurry, I just do that. I just use this back secretarial and then off I go. And that works out great. So let's check it out. I did not get any of the bookmarkers because they kind of annoy me. Oh, look, I did it. I did it. I measured it correctly. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so happy I measured that correctly. Because, you know, sometimes you measure and you think you got it right, but it's like, I'm pretty sure I measured this exactly the same as my Gilio. So, you know, I have a tendency to take it out a lot when I write in it. If I'm writing anything, like if I'm planning for the entire week or something, I'll take it out. Not if I'm just jotting down a couple of words, but so I can easily slip it in here and just go like that. Wow, that's pretty. So let's look at it this way, this way. Yes, it's really nice. So I got a pen loop here. I think maybe next time I would have the pen loop moved onto the strap, but it really isn't interfering. So I guess that's okay. It's super pretty. Let me just zoom you in a little bit. So it's gorgeous. I love it. And I'm going to start using it immediately. This is so pretty. I didn't put a big back pocket on it because I wasn't sure if it would be really super thick with this. You know, this leather has some kind of coating on it to make it shiny. And I thought it could potentially get super thick. So, yeah. No back pocket, which is totally cool. And there's the back. It's really pretty. Wow. Now let's check this. So that will bother me a little bit. And I mean, I don't think, I would never send it back for that. But I feel like for what I paid, I shouldn't see that. And I know right now I'm looking at it from an angle because I'm sitting. If I look at it straight on, yeah, I can still see it. But I might send a note to Petra and just ask her if that's normal, or put something on the Facebook group and ask people if that's their experience. Maybe there's something about the placement of these snaps where it needs to be, you know, it can't be too close to this edge. But I don't think a lot of times I will need to use that one, honestly. Maybe by the end of the year when my Hobonichi is super duper fat. And next year I'm planning on getting a regular size week, so it won't be an issue then. Oh, and I did get square corners. That's another custom that I added. And I think my customs came to like $150. So that is on top of the regular price of the Codex. But it's totally beautiful. I'm not sorry at all that I got it. All right, well, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you probably, my next unboxing will be next week because I have a box coming from Aura Estelle right now. So, and I'm really excited about that one too. So talk to you later. Bye.